Rich, it's 3:10 in the morning. You've been at it since about 10, 11 o'clock yesterday morning. So right now is Saturday morning, 3:10. We've done a lot. We've done a fucking lot. We've done, what have we done? We've done a fucking lot, John. Oh! So we've got all the handlebars done. We've got the new switch there. We've got new display, CCTV, new switch, new light. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We've got 9 cables going through my tube there. 9 cables. 9 cables there. And each cable has got like fucking 5 wires in it, or 3 wires. So that's all going through there, and down here to here. And all of that is getting connected there. Oh, we've got a new light here. Dosh. We've got the red thing is the alarm system. That's the controller for the alarm. Black thing, that's my hooter. I've got another hooter there. The controller, the big black box, that's the one. Sine wave, what does it say? Sine wave brushless controller. 45 amps. So behind this yellow box is another yellow box. So we've got 2 like this. That's going to be the hall sensor, and this one's going to be the battery connections. This is a DC drop down converter, which gives me my 12 volt. So it drops from 52 volt to 12 volt to run all the lights and the horns. These two little black boxes, they are the flasher relays for the indicators. And there, hold on, get off. Stop. So I ain't got much space. The cover's going on there, and I need to trim down all the wiring so that it fits in there. Trim it all down so it fits in there, and get the cover on. The cover's only skinny, so see how much this sticks out. It sticks out this side, so I can stay level. I can stay level with this line of the alarm controller. So I've got about fucking 7 inches of square footage to squeeze in there. But we are looking much, much better. Much, much better. The indicators are the nuts. I can't wait to get them indicators going. So that's the indicator there built into the carbon rod. Boom. We'll have that all working tomorrow, hopefully. Fuck this. Look at the state of the place. Oh, we're a bit better in here, but Bosh. I've got to tidy up and hopefully finish this in a few hours' time. I'd like to have a fucking ride today. We'll see. It's 3:10. Let's be done by midday, eh? For fuck's sake. Yeah, little fucker, you.